Right. Start. So the third step is brickwork in foundation. So below the ground level is having the foundation. So excavation completed and uh, find out the work. So this is the first footing and second footing and plane and 40 centimeter is the plinth. So just imagine, so when we are completing the first footing, if we observe from the top view, so the width will be 70 centimeters, right? 70 centimeters. So just imagine, we just now we completed the first footing construction. So if we observe from the top view, we will observe like this. So now we are going to find out the first footing length in the long wall from this corner to this corner. Okay, from this corner to this corner we are going to find out the length of the first footing in the long wall. So how we will calculate? By taking the support of center to center length of the long wall. So center to center length of long wall is, already we calculated in the starting only. So that is a 5.3, right? 5.30 meter. So now actually we are going to find out from this here to here length. So already we know that from here to here length is 5.3. So what is this remaining half portion and this remaining half portion? Why I am saying half portion means, already this is a, just draw a center line here. So up to now we know the center to center length, we know that. So remaining half is here. Total width of the first footing is 70 meters, right? 70 centimeters. Into the meters, 0.35. Here also same, this half of the portion is 35 centimeters. So 35 centimeters means it is a 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.35 plus 0.35, it is a 0.7. 0.35 plus 0.35, right? This is a total 6 meters. So 6 meters is total length of the first footing in the long wall. Same as usual, we need to find out in the short wall, right? So this is the short wall. So center to center length of short wall. So what is the center to center length? Already we found out 4.3 meters. So now, so first footing, this half portion is we calculated in the long wall. Already we calculated this long wall, right? So already first footing of long wall is calculated. So up to this also, here also calculated, right? So this half portion, right? This half portion we need to deduct from the short wall, center to center length. Why? Because already this half portion is we calculated in the long wall. Already we added that half portion in the long wall. So if we added once again in the short wall, we will get the wrong answer, right? We will get the wrong quantity. If you deduct this half portion in the short wall, we will get the exact quantity for the first footing, entire first footing. So what is this half portion? That is a 0.35 meters. So this is half portion 0.35. Total is 0.7. The 0.7 is we will deduct from the center to center length of the short wall. That is the, so minus 0.35 minus 0.35. So we will get the 3.60 meters. 0, right? 7. We will check once again.